Welcome to SLC. We are from Junior News Wave channel. Breaking news of our school. Myself, news reporter Jumana Kapadia. We are delighted to share the cherished memories of last year momentous when His Holiness Sayyidina Mufaddal Saifuddin Tawallah Umrah Sharif graced Tayabi Higher Secondary School Ujjain with his esteemed presence. The auspicious visit was marked by Didar and Inayat Barakat, filling the hearts of all attendees with immense joy and gratitude. May we continue to be blessed with such divine moments in the future. Ameen. News reporter Tahir, quiz champions crowned. Last year, grade 1st to 3rd GK competition was a smashing success. The event was concluded in 3 thrilling rounds, keeping everyone on the edge of their seats. Young minds showcased their knowledge and enthusiasm, and the winners were celebrated with trophies and amazing gifts. What an exciting and wonderful event it was! Now, reviewing on Hindi Divas celebration. Our school celebrated Hindi Divas competition in style, hosting a fun and educational quiz competition. Students answered general knowledge questions in a series of rounds. Their impressive performance were rewarded with special gifts and making the day even more memorable. My name is Arwa Bora from class 3rd, news reporter, and also our book from Bonanza was a fantastic event for our grade 1st and 2nd students, designed to build their confidence and skills in reading. Thank you. Myself, news reporter Shirin Taski. Our Shitabi celebration was a blend of creativity, devotion, and teamwork. The talented students of classes 9 to 12th grade stunning gifts inspired by Ashara Mubarak and poured their love into every detail. Our Tayyabi talent showcased their creativity, collaboration, and artistic expression. From sketching to painting, they unleashed their imagination in a colorful celebration of art. Guided by our dedicated teachers, students worked together, shared ideas, and brought masterpieces to life. I am reporter Huzafa Dargaiwala. The annual day program was a spectacular event, showcasing our youngsters and incredible talent and enthusiasm. Students from grade 3 left the audience spellbound with their vibrant performance, confidence, stage presence. The event began with a heartfelt welcome song sung melodiously by young choir. Their synchronized voice and cheerful expressions set the tone for an evening joy and celebrations. Thank you. I am reporter Brandin Chagbawala, and I want to tell you about the grade 3rd student who can anchor role flawlessly, hosting the program with confidence and charm. Their clear articulation and playful banter kept the audience engaged and entertained throughout the event. The declamation performances by grade 8th students, they confidently delivered powerful speeches on thought-provoking topics, earning thunderous applause from the audience. Their ability to express themselves so eloquently was truly inspiring. The student stage performance were nothing short of super duper. They rocked on stage with their enthusiasm and teamwork. Breaking news, reporter Burhanuddin Maksiwal. We are welcoming you all at Junior News View. We are really excited about the SLC today. Our friends are working on an English news report about the local events, and I can't wait to share the headlines. We TUBs are preparing for a presentation about maths, where we are explaining how we can use maths in a shop setting. I am hoping it helps everyone to understand the real life of what we are learning in class. In our English report, our school reporters covered a few reports about the world. And our school also and school and also learn how to make sound like a news broadcast. News reporter Burhanuddin Manakiwala. We are building a grocery shop where we have to set prices for product and calculating this. It was like playing store, but here we are using standard and non-standard forms. Kadim, Sabit, Jadid, Nafa. We have a science project which is connected with Deen and Dunya. Our topic is Kadim, Sabit, Jadid, Nafa. My coach and I have written and researched poems, Kavita in Hindi. It is representing on different topics. We explore different subjects and everyone is learning something new. I wish it's going to be inspiring and encouraging. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Haya Pithan from grade 3rd. Let us talk about our Tayyib School Sports Day 2025, a celebration of talent and team spirit. As the world yearns for the excitement of the Olympic Games, Tayyib School hosted its annual Sports Day, blending global inspiration with local enthusiasm. This year's Sports Day was a grand showcase of the school vibrant sporting culture, where every student actively performed, demonstrating their skills, spirit, and teamwork. The event featured a variety of competitions, including the running races, team sports, and fun activities. In the 200-meter race, Fatima Kabzi emerged victorious, clinching the first position with an impressive performance. The highlight of the day is inter-house competition where the 4 houses, Adal, Sabbar, Yaqeen and Ehsan competed fiercely sports such as volleyball, kho-kho and table tennis. The school recognized and celebrated the students' outstanding performance with trophies and medals, motivating them to aim higher in their sporting journeys. Sports is for winning. It's not for winning. It's about for building a character, teamwork, and lifelong memories, said the school principal during the closing ceremony. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Reporter Zaya Thakiwala. The Sports Year 2024 revisits key moments like Pakistan Nadeem winning javelin gold, the controversy over the Ballon d'Or, India's T20 World Cup triumph under Dravid, the Sports World Cup in Saudi Arabia, and milestones in athletics, chess, and tennis, significant transitions in football and gymnastics alongside social media trends and India's cricket defects are highlighted. India vs Bangladesh, Rishabh Pant equals MS Dhoni's record with 6 Test 100. India vs Bangladesh, Chennai Test. Rishabh Pant celebrated his Test comeback with his 6 Test 100 in the second innings of the first Test. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my all dear friends. I am Hussain Shakabadwala, grade 3rd A. Women's Hockey Asia League will make impact like IPL, says Rani Rappal. Former Asia Women's Hockey captain Rani Rappal is hopeful the Women's Asia League will set the platform for young girls to win national team berth for the 232 Olympics in Brisbane and beyond. Thank you. I'm Burhanuddin Narewala Arjun Kagzi reporting about chocolate racing cars. The world's first environmentally friendly racing cars is made of vegetables will be launched next month. The 145 mph Eco F-Thrust steering wheel is made of carrots. Its body is made of potatoes. Its seat is made of soya beans. The Daily Telegraph report that it is Formula 1 3 racing cars is made of sustainable and renewable material. Designers hope the technology they use in their cars will be adopted by Formula 1 3 racing cars teams such as McLaren and Ferrari.
It used plant oil based on lubricants, soya diesel engine capable of running chocolate and vegetable oil.
And vegetable fibers are mixed with resin to produce car parts. And the oils in the chocolate are refined to produce fuel. The world first team from Warwick University hopes racing chefs will change the rule so they can compete in races next season. The engine fails to meet current regulations because of its unusual fuel. A team spokesman said, "We hope the Formula One team will see that an environmentally friendly car is not necessarily a slow car. We expect our new material to be used by the Formula One car of the future." News reporter Batul. India's Neeraj Chopra named Best Male Javelin Thrower of 2024 by renowned US magazine. Neeraj Chopra is the silver medalist in 2024 Olympics held in Amsterdam, chess champion and inspiration for teens to play chess. Indian teenager Gukesh Domaraju shocked the world of chess on Thursday when he became the youngest world champion at the age of just 18. The Chennai-born prodigy defeated defending champion Chinese Deng Liren in a dramatic match staged in Singapore, which he had entered as the challenger. Thank you.